Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hello everyone. My name is HAZIQ bin Abdul Halim. I am from 4 SSCE and today I am going to present my undergraduate project throughout this poster. My title of the undergraduate project is Energy of Graph Associated to Erdös-Rényi Model Network. In this presentation, I have categorized this into 6 categories, which is the introduction, research background, problem statement, research methodology, research objective, and preliminary result. To start with, I am going to start with the introduction. Introduction. A graph G is a structure consisting of non-empty set, finite VG of elements called nodes, and a finite set of EG of distinct unordered pair of distinct elements VG called edges. Meanwhile, a random graph is a graph where the graph vertices, edges, and the connectivity are determined in some random way. The model that has been chosen is Erdös-Rényi model network, and which is often denoted as G and P. This research will be focusing on the energy of the graph associated to the Erdös-Rényi model network. Research background. According to the Sesadri, Korda, and Pina, the study has been done on Erdös-Rényi model network and demonstrate the properties of many real-world social networks. The main objective of this research is to calculate the energy from the model network and find relation from it. Problem statement. The graph network can be represented on a smaller scale by selecting Erdös-Rényi model. And from that, we are going to obtain energy of graph. And this study also broadens the application of the related graph, energy, and the specific model network. Research methodology. This has 5 phases. The first one is literature review. Next one is the constructing the graph model itself, and then is to determine the adjacency of matrix, and from the adjacency of matrix we are going to compute the energy, and the final one I am going to write the full report. Research objective consists of 3 main points. The first one is to construct some graph to determine the adjacency matrices and to determine the energy of the graph. The next one is preliminary result. Constructing Erdös-Rényi model network GNP. Upon this chapter, the value of specific parameters was small, is because to just represent the real network by definition. By properties of the Erdös-Rényi, we managed to construct the model network, which is the properties itself, which is the degree distribution is binomial, follows this equation, and the possible maximum edges will follows this n choose 2. The smaller parameter pick smaller values for easy comprehension theoretically. And upon that, we are managed to construct these two graph, which is n equal to 3 and this p equal to 0.3, and the other one is also n equal to 3 but the p is 0.9. And the research will continue into more various value of n and p. And that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and thank you everyone.